Hey everyone, it's Miss Smith. I thought I would make a video for you because on YouTube I couldn't find one that I liked. They were either too long, the first one was weird, and you know how YouTube is. So I'm going to become a YouTuber myself. Just kidding, but I'm going to make some videos for you guys, so get used to this. I'm not a morning person. It is 8:30 and don't mind my voice, but here we go. So this is Canva. This is what you will use to make your About Me poster. It is a very easy website if you've used it. If you have used it, just don't even watch this video and get creative. This video is just basic tools. I thought about sending you guys videos every day, but Canva's really easy to use, so I may not. This might be the only video that I show you guys to help you with the tools. So here we go. To start, you're going to make a poster. You can type here poster if you want. That's more of specific stuff. I'm going to go down here and click on poster. As you can see, there's so much you can do on here, but we're going to make a poster. It's going to upload a brand new blank canvas for you to edit on. So these are some of the tools that you might want to know about. If you want to make a copy of this page, you just copy it. It'll add a page down here. You can add a new page using that button. If you do that by accident, or if you add a page, just delete it if you do not want it. So it brings you up first with templates. You're going to scroll through and find a template you like, or you can just start on this and move on. I like to use templates just because sometimes they have a color that I like, the background, or I really like that. That's cute. Something that you can go off of. So I really like this green. So I need to add my info, not this info. So I want to get rid of it. So I'm going to click. And if I want to get rid of this, I just click and hit backspace or delete. So I'm going to get rid of all of this because it really has nothing to do with myself. Okay, so I like that green color. If you do not like that green color, you could always change it. Right here, you could even get really crazy and add a different color. So next is, actually, I'm going to show you text. On your checklist, you'll see that you get 3 points for adding your name. So you want to click on one of these to add your name, or you might like one of these. I really like this. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to change it to Ms. And then I'm going to click on sale and change it to Smith. And then I don't need up to 50% off. Okay, so there's my name. I really like that. If you don't want to look through all of these, you could just click on that and it pops up. You can write your name. And then you can change the font here. So I'm going to highlight it just like you would in Google Docs. And you can find other font you like. So I really like that font. There's a lot of fonts. You cannot do the ones with the crown. We're not paying for this. But the other ones are free. You can change the color here. So maybe I want it to be gray, purple. All right. And then the size. You can make it bigger than 144. You just type. Let's say 200. There's 200. All right. So there's text. Elements. This is pretty cool. Recently used. I like that. But featured coronavirus. Interesting. So what I would do is I would go up here and I would just search. I really like this cactus though, so I'm going to use it. I'm a plant person. I really like plants and being outside in my garden and stuff. I sound like an old lady, but it's really just succulents and little things. So I just put that cactus in here, and as you can see that I made it bigger and smaller by using the white dots on the outside. You can also search. So maybe I want a cactus. Maybe I want a different cactus. And there's all kinds of cactus. Don't worry about the ones with money. You can still do it. The only thing is the ones with money will have a watermark. See how it says Canva? That's okay, because whenever you go to share it with me, it will, what am I trying to say? Oh, when you're trying to share it with me, it won't make you pay. It will just have a watermark, but that's fine because it's just for my eyes, nobody else's, so it won't matter. That's just if you want to try to sell your things, you need to pay for the image. All right, so I showed you images. Let's go back to elements, and the grids and the frames are cool. You can add pictures within that. So you insert a photo, and it's in that kind of frame. So you have stickers. You just click see all if you want to see it. The gradients are cool too. Lines. So maybe I want to add a line to that. I'm going to get rid of that. Okay. So now photos. I asked you guys photos. This is if you want actual photos. So same thing with like the elements in the clip art. You can just type in, say what succulents. And you'll get more real images of succulents than the clip art images on photos. Also on your checklist, I asked you to upload a picture of you, your family, your pet. If you go here, see how some of mine are saved, which are awesome, but you're going to click on upload an image. Your files are going to pop up. You're going to find your image wherever that might be and click on it. Click on open. I'm just going to use one that's already saved. Once you upload a picture, it will save, which is really cool. So there's my husband and I. I like that, but I'm going to actually try to, also if you drag it off, looks like it deletes it. I'm going to try to use one of these frames to show you really quick. I liked that one. So we're going to go to photos, and I'm going to just drag my photo into that. So it doesn't look as good as I want. Let's try my cat. Oh, perfect. So there's my cat Rocket. Oh, all right. So there's the basics of Canva. I really want you to have fun with this. Whenever you are ready to share it, you can go up here and change your name. I would do Miss Smith poster or about me poster. Maybe write your name, about me poster. I'm trying to think, about me poster Michelle. Michelle's about me poster. So when you are ready to share it, you will just click on share and type in my email address. So good luck, have fun. Please email me, message me on Google Classroom if you have any questions. Good luck, guys.